This is yet another milestone, which is major for all of us. It is a result of our concerted and coordinated effort. Garambe. Transfer to the federal government of Somalia. Now they are through with appending the signatures.
We have always had some problems of traffic jam, whereby moving from here to another place would take a lot of time.
Osman Egal.
We regard this commissioning as a great example of the partnership that the United Nations has with the federal government of Somalia and with the African Union mission of ATMIS in supporting the Somalis' vision for a even more prosperous country.
Honorable visitors, the media, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for all your effort and your commitment.